10 luckiest people of all the time. The chance of winning the lottery is 1 to 200 million, which means it's more likely to die electrocuted by a lightning than winning the lottery. But this is not the case for John Ginter, who is considered as the best player in history. Believe it or not, she's the only person in the world who has won the lottery 4 times. In 1993, she won $5.4 million in the Texas Lotto jackpot. Then in 2006, she won $2 more million, $3 more million in 2008, and finally in 2010, she won $10 million. She refuses to be photographed or give any kind of interviews. She has also won 24 times more, but this time amounts smaller than $2 million. Now let's talk about Bill Morgan, a man who died and came back to life. It all happened after an automobilistic accident. He was dead for 14 minutes before he came back to life. He was in comatose for 12 days and then woke up with his body working perfectly. This is something that could have been considered as a windfall already. Still, for Bill Morgan, it was just the beginning. When he came out of his coma, he celebrated by scrapping a lottery ticket where he won a car worth him $28,000. The crazy of this case is that his luck did not end up there. Due to the recent events, Bill had been invited to a TV show where he scratched another lottery ticket, and guess what? He won. He had just won $250,000. There have been many assassination attempts against several powerful figures like the Papa or the President. Some of them had been accomplished, as the sad case of John F. Kennedy, but that is someone who somehow had more luck than anyone else who was already being a victim of an attempt against their lives. We are talking about Andrew Jackson. In 1835, an unemployed house painter named Richard Lawrence came loaded and ready to take the president's life while he was leaving a funeral. Lawrence pulled out his gun and squeezed the trigger, but it misfired. Lawrence had came back prepared with a second guy that pulled out as quickly as he could and took his second shot, but believe it or not, it misfired again. Later on, Lawrence's weapons were tested, and both of them fired properly in the first time. Do you imagine not having to work ever again in your life and just get paid more than you can imagine? Well, this is what happened to Marvin Rosales, who found an unscraped lottery ticket while he was cleaning the disaster the Sandy hurricane had left behind years ago. To his surprise, when he scratched the ticket, he won the biggest prize, which would give him $1,000 weekly for the rest of his life. Surviving a nuclear attack is already a windfall, but surviving two is a miracle. And this it's basically what happened to Tsutomu Yamaguchi, who survived to his first nuclear attack when he was in a business trip in Hiroshima. Luckily, he survived and came back to his native city. Later, when he was in Nagasaki, he survived a second nuclear attack and lived to tell his story. Anders Helstrup is a Norwegian parachutist who some years ago had the experience of his life. He was parachuting when he felt something falling down to a tremendous speed. He did not pay attention because, according to him, it was just part of his imagination. But later, when he watched the tape of his flight with some friends, they noticed something strange. What he thought was his imagination happened to be an 11-pound meteorite. Analysts and experts say the chances of winning the lottery are more likely to happen than something like this. We can just say he had a lucky day. Eduardo Leite is a man who suffered an accident while working in a building construction. We all have accidents, you'd say, so what does this guy have that makes him a lucky person? Well, Eduardo had an accident that could have killed him immediately, but instead he never lost conscious. A 2-meter-long iron bar pierced his skull. He had luck, explained the doctor who performed the surgery, due to the fact that the iron bar hadn't touched any important part of the brain. Fidel Castro, does the name sound any familiar to you? Well, believe it or not, the ex-president from Cuba survived to many assassination attacks during his entire life. Intelligence agencies in the world give an estimated of 630 times Fidel had survived 2 attacks against him, all of them planned by the CIA, mobs, and even his lovers. He had survived things such as poisoned cigarettes, bombs, needles with poison, and much more. This might be the oldest case in our list, however, it doesn't mean this man had no luck. Nichiren was a man who was sentenced to death for writing and publishing a book considered inappropriate for the 19th century. When his executioner was getting ready to kill him, something strange happened. A lightning killed his executioner, for which Nichiren was forgiven and allowed to keep living. Avoiding the death is something considered as impossible. If not, ask the families of the people who died after surviving catastrophe. Real Final Destination cases, if you ask me. Well, for this man, Franos Nack, luck was always on his side. It seems death was scared of him, due to the many times he has escaped from it. Not one, not twice, but 5 times were the amounts of times this man escaped from death. The first time he escaped from death was in 1962, when he was traveling on a train that fell down to the precipice. 17 people died, but Frano got to the shore with a broken arm and some bruises. A year later, a plane where he was traveling had an inconvenience. The door opened and he was absorbed out of the plane. Minutes after the plane crashed, killing 19 people. When Frano woke up, he was in a hospital where he found out he had just fell in a bunch of hay. In 1970, his car started to burn, and he managed himself to live minutes before it exploded. In 1995, he was hit by a bus in Zagreb, but he just had a superficial wound. And finally, in 1996, when he was driving in a dangerous road, a truck got in his way and made his car fall out of the road. Frano jumped out and then watched how his car exploded 100 meters below. Surviving so many times to cases like this is already a sign of true luck. But not enough with that, Frano won $1 million years later the last tragedy. Unbelievable. So tell me, YouTube, what was the luckiest day of your life? If you liked this video, please subscribe, share and give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget you can write your comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.